Welcome to our ultimate comparison of two popular dash cams, the WOLFBOX G840S and the Dash Cam WiFi 2K. In this video, we will dive into the key features, specifications, and user experiences of both products to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The WOLFBOX G840S boasts a stunning 4K front camera resolution, providing exceptional clarity and detail in recordings. In contrast, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K offers a respectable 2K resolution, which is still good but not as sharp as the WOLFBOX. If video quality is your top priority, the WOLFBOX G840S is the clear winner here. When it comes to display size, the WOLFBOX G840S features a large 12-inch LCD screen, making it easy to view footage and navigate settings. On the other hand, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K has a compact 1.5-inch display, which may be more discreet but lacks the visibility of the larger screen. For those who prefer a bigger view, the WOLFBOX is the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The WOLFBOX G840S comes at a premium price of $179, reflecting its advanced features and higher resolution. In contrast, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K is much more affordable at just $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you value premium features or cost savings. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and the Dash Cam WiFi 2K have their strengths and weaknesses. The WOLFBOX offers superior video quality and a larger display, while the Dash Cam WiFi 2K provides an excellent budget-friendly option. Consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.